Think all of seeing all thy ways and all thy secret thoughts surveys. By influence of the light divine, let thy own light to others shine. Reflector, heaven's propitious ways in ardent love and cheerful praise. Wake and lift up thyself, my heart, and with the angels bear thy part, who all night long unweary sing, I praise to thee, eternal King. I wake, ye heavenly choir, may your devotion me inspire, that I, like you, my age may spend, like you may